Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy TRX on KuCoin. First, you'll need to create an account, which is a straightforward process using your email or phone number. It's important to complete identity verification, also known as KYC, to unlock all features. Additionally, set up a unique 6-digit trading password. This adds an essential layer of security for your transactions and withdrawals. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund it. You have several options. You can deposit fiat currency directly using a credit or debit card or through a bank transfer. Alternatively, you can transfer existing cryptocurrencies, such as USD or Bitcoin, from another wallet or exchange. Remember to always select the correct blockchain network when depositing crypto to avoid any loss of funds. Now, let's place your buy order for TRX. Head over to the spot trading section on KuCoin. You'll need to find the TRX trading pair, commonly TRX versus USD. You can choose a market order to buy TRX instantly at the current price, or a limit order to set a specific price you wish to buy at. Enter the amount of TRX you want, then confirm your order using your 6-digit trading password. After successfully placing your order, your TRX will appear in your trading account. Always verify your balance to ensure the transaction was completed. For long-term holding, consider moving your TRX from your trading account to your main account or a secure external wallet. Finally, always enable two-factor authentication on your KuCoin account for maximum security against unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.